Hi, I'm Essence Bartlett and I attend Kenwood Academy and I'm a junior. This is Cooking with Me. So the first thing I did was rinse the potatoes. I have two different types. So here I show you that I have golden potatoes and I also have russet potatoes. So here I'm cutting the golden potatoes with the skin on. And here's a picture of them. Here I'm peeling the russet potatoes. The next thing I do is chop up those potatoes so I can add it, and now I'm rinsing them and I'm adding it to the pot. I noticed that I wasn't using a lot of potatoes, so I switched the pot to this one and I'm seasoning it with garlic and salt, and it's getting ready to boil on the stove. The next thing I do is cut off the lamb chops that I'll be using, and in this video I'm using 2. So these are how they looked. So what I'm doing is seasoning it. I seasoned it with salt, pepper, Cajun seasoning, and garlic powder. The next thing I did was created my mixture. I used butter, garlic, and olive oil. And then I added the lamb chops to the pan and let them cook. The next thing I did was mashed up the potatoes. The next thing I did was create my butter mixture, and I had butter, milk, and sea salt. I wanted my mashed potatoes creamy and cheesy, so I added some Parmesan, so I'm grating up the Parmesan. So the next thing I did was make my sauce for the lamb chops, and I used honey, garlic, butter, lemon juice, olive oil, and Worcestershire sauce. Then I put the lamb chops into it. The next thing I did was trim the asparagus. Then I made the sauce for the asparagus, which included olive oil, black pepper, garlic minced, and olive oil. The last ingredient I used was salt. The last thing I did was let the asparagus cook in the mix, then I cut up a lemon to squeeze on top, and this is the final product.